In this section, I will show you how to design a very nice blog article page. If you jump directly to this section, just make sure that you have at least one article on your online store. And I would recommend that you watch as well my video on how to design the blog page and how to design the category page, because it will help you to understand better what we will do now. Let's go, let's design this page. Here we are on the default template for the blog article page. So we can see that it's very simple and we are going to do something way better than that. So for doing this, we go to the theme builder, and here I will use a design that is very similar to the blog category page that we created earlier. So what I will do to save some time is just to duplicate the template that we created before for the category pages. I will duplicate it and I will assign it to all posts. This is for all posts in your blog. I will save this. For you, if you don't want to do exactly like me and you want to create a new design for your blog post, then what you can do is just create a new template, build new templates, and assign it to all posts. And then you can do the exact same thing as we will do right now, but starting from scratch with a new design. Now we are going to customize the body of our blog article. Here, there is 3 themes that you absolutely want on this page. Whatever the design that you are going to create and how much customization that you will do, there is really 3 elements that you absolutely need. The first one is this one, the post title module, because this module will display the title of your article, so it's very important that it appears somewhere on your page. Then the next module that you absolutely need is the post content module. This one, because this one is going to display your post content. Before, in this course, we created the content of our blog article using the default editor, and so this module, the post content, will display this content that we put into the default editor here into our page. So this is super important. If you don't add this module somewhere on your page, then your content that you put into the default editor just won't be displayed. Okay, so this is super important. And then the third element that you want is actually optional. It's not really a must-have as the previous one, but it's still something that you really want to display. It's the featured image of your article. So for doing that, there is multiple ways. Either you add an image module, and here into the content, you select the dynamic content and you use featured image here. And this way, the featured image of our blog article will be displayed here. So for this website, it's not what I will do, but it's what you can do if you want. I will put the featured image of the article directly here into the bit section. So it will be very nice. So for doing that, I go to the settings, background. I remove the image that we have. I use the dynamic content and I use featured image. Then we have our dynamic post title. I will keep it like this, that's great. Then the menu, that's okay. Then the breadcrumbs, it's okay. Then I want to keep this blog module here because at the bottom of my page, I want to display more article. Like when people finish reading my article, I want to tell them, hey, there is more articles. So I will keep that. And just above this module, I will add a text module that says read more. As simple as that. I will do an H2. I will change the color. And I will put the text size slightly bigger. For example, 35 pixels. Okay, great. And now the next thing that we absolutely need is the post content. So I will add this module above the read more post content. Now we are going to have the post content displayed here, then below that read more, and then more articles. So this is great. We just need to change the colors of this module here. The background, I want it black, like everywhere. And then I also want to change the color of the text. So color of the heading. So here you see we can change the color of the heading, and actually we can change the color of every subheading as well, H1, H2, H3, all the way to H4, which means I want to use all of them white. I need to put white in every section. Okay, great. Then I also want my text to be white, and perfect. Then we can save. This is the way that I've done it here. That's a very easy and fast way. But for yourself, if you do more customization, really make sure that you have the post content module, the post title module, And you also have probably your featured image on your page as well. This is very important. Then we also have a lot of templates here that are available. If you type post, you will find them. So you can use them if you want. Just make sure once again that you have the post title, the post content, and the featured image on your page. And most of the time they are not included into these templates. So yeah, just keep in mind that you absolutely need these modules on your page. Then we can save. Now I won't do the same mistake. I know that we need to go out and save into the theme builder as well. Okay, perfect, it is saved. So now we can go to our article and we can refresh the page. Okay, perfect. So I think this is very nice. It's really cool. So we have the title of our article. We have the featured image in the background, which is amazing. Then we have the breadcrumb, and then we have the content of our article. Perfect. We have images, and at the end we have the read more with the other articles that we have. Okay, perfect. So then the next thing that we can do is increase the gap between the text because they are really close to each other. So we can make it better. So for doing that, you go back to your theme builder, all post custom body, and then we go to the settings of the post content module here. Then we want to do two things. We want to increase the space around our title. So this is an H2 and this is an H3. And if we increase both space around our title, then it will probably be fine for our text. So let's do that. You go to heading text, then H2, and then you go down and you want to increase the line height here. Let's try with 2. Okay, and we will do the same with the H3. Okay, let's save. Okay, then let's refresh this page. Okay, now it's much better. Now we have much more space around our titles, so it's much easier to read. So that's it for the blog article page. I think we designed a very nice blog section right now, so we can keep going, and I will see you in the next section.